Smith. Cael ei nôl. Yn canfod Dave Edwards. Chwarae da gan y Bala. Smith mewn y cwrs Cosby. Mendes yn ei tharoi! A mae Bala ar y blaen. Y cyfle cyntaf gwirioneddol maen nhw wedi gael. A fe syrthiodd y bêl i Lasana Mendes ar ochr y cwrs Cosby. Lasana Mendes i mewn o dda. Dwyn y bêl yn ôl. A dyma Rutherford! Mendes! A mae'n ddwy! Wel, fe gafodd y Barri gyfle i'w chlirio hi. A ddarnyn nhw ddim. A Mendes, sydd wedi bod yn fywiog iawn yn ystod y chwarter cynta. Fo, unwaith eto yna gynta. A'i ail gol o'r pnawn. Mae Sainty'n gwthio ymlaen. Clagan, tu allan iddo fo. Mae o'n croesio mynd ôl at Sainty. Mae o'n i gadael i! Yr ergyn gan Cafana! Sainty! A rywsut! Mae'r Barri nôl yn y gêm. Wel, mi stopiodd pawb. Dwi'n yn siŵr os oedden nhw'n disgwyl cic o'r smotyn. A fe gariodd Callum Sainty ymlaen. A fe nath o'r mwyaf o'r ail gyfle. Venables at Boris. Boris ymlaen at Rutherford, o ddim yn cam sefyll. Sef amser, mae'n ôl at Boris. Ergyd wel gan fo! Ond yr ergyd yn troi mewn i bas berffaith i Dave Edwards. Ac o 6 llath, doedd o ddim yn mynd i fethu. Ac unwaith eto, mae gen y Bala 2 gol o fantais. Cael ei thar ymlaen at Cafana ar y dde, croesia da! A mae Barri reit nôl yn y gêm. Kane McLagan, nath i gorffan ni. Ac o ddim, mae'r Barri reit nôl yn y gêm. Mae'n 2-2. Maxtey. Yn curo Southern. Ac yn canfod un mewn lle. Yn gwthio i mewn yn cwrs Cosby, mae di mynd lawr. A mae'n geic o'r smotyn. 5 munud i fynd, a mae gen y Barri gyfle i raidd i ddod nôl yn gyfartal. Kane McLagan, capten y Barri. A mae ergyd yn cael ei arbed, ond ar yr ail gynnig, mae'n ei roi hi mewn. Ail gol y pnawn i Kane McLagan. A mae'n 2-1. McLagan yn rhoi pwysau ar y golwr, a mae wedi syrthio ddo fo, McLagan! Bosib bod wedi cymryd gormod amser. Dwi'n yn gwybod be a trwy feddwl Alex Ramsey fanna. Green. Ciro Mendes, gwthio ymlaen. Os na un tro arall yng nghyffon stori'r gêm yma. A mae Mendes wedi deud gormod wrth y dyfarnwr. A mae wedi cael ei erio'r cae. A mae o'n gandryll. Ddechreuodd y pnawn mor dda iddo fo. 2 gol yn yr hanner cynta. Ond oedd o ddim yn hapus efo penderfyniad y dyfarnwr yma. Bala had the best of it for the most part this afternoon. But to score 3 goals at home and not get the 3 points, I'm sure you're feeling very frustrated.
Yeah, absolutely. I thought our body language wasn't good in the start of the game, in the first half. And then we kicked in and then scored 3 really good goals. And then we could have scored 4, 5, 6 and didn't. And then we came out at half time, didn't get going again. And then suicide defending with the goals that we give away, horrific defending. And then they've snatched a draw, you know, but they're celebrating like they've won the European Cup there. So it means a lot more to them because they've put a lot more work into to try and get a result than what we did.
Bala's had enough chance in the first half to win the game, and you know, that's disappointing. But at half time, you're staring down the barrel, really. If I reflect on the first half, you know, the first 20 minutes I thought we were outstanding. Probably conceded a goal against the run of play. And thereafter, you know, to be fair to Bala, they were very much in the ascendancy. We've responded well with a good work goal and then conceded another one. So we find ourselves in a really difficult position. But as I said, we're staring down the barrel at half-time, and you find out a lot about your players and your staff in those moments. And I have to say, in the second half, I thought nobody took a backward step, and very proud of them.
Talk about body language and players getting frustrated. Lasana Mendes, 2 goals in the first half. ends up getting sent off just before the end for seemingly losing his cool.
Yeah, he scored 2 good goals in the first half and cost us 2 goals in the second half, so it levels itself up. But we've got to defend. Lass has got to defend better throughout the game. Plus, the other 10 players have got to defend better as well.
You know, we've come up against a good team, a team that's, you know, odds on for Europe again this year, if you like. And at half time we could have crumbled, but second half we did well what each player brings to the team, and that's what makes a team. Everybody brings their own individual aspect, and the collective becomes stronger. And I think second half I'm very proud of every single one of them.